just checked in. We're at the Athenian Foss Boutique Hotel. It's right in the heart of Athens, and it's above a restaurant. A little bathroom here. It's been updated, all modern. It's very nice. Spacious shower. There's a hairdryer. They've given us some toiletries. What's in there? Oh wow, they squeezed everything in. So we have a safe, a kettle. There's Pringles, but I think we have to pay for those. There's some instant coffee and tea. Oh, there's a little fridge. They said the water was included. There's some robes. I think they've given us robes. Oh, they have slippers too. Is there anything in this? Some shelves. There's a little desk area here. Phone, little TV. The remote is in there. There's some pens. What's in here? Room service menu. And we're overlooking all the action here. Let's see. Oh, is it locked up there? Wait, maybe down here? Wait, careful. Oh, does it slide? No. Well, we'll figure that out later. But we're overlooking one of the main shopping streets. Kind of reminds me of Spain. We realize we don't have the correct adapters for the plugs here, but at least they have USB plugs. Oh, Ryan figured out how to open it. So cute. They have this little balcony with chairs. I don't think we've ever stayed somewhere so central before. It's nice to try a little boutique hotel for a change. And I like this bed, the headboard. It's nice. Tiny little elevator at the hotel. Squeeze in. There's no room for even your suitcase. So they send up the bags separately by themselves. And then it's a two-sided elevator.
Be careful.
Be careful that the door doesn't hit you, because then it closes and you get stuck in the elevator. And you have to push it open. There's our room. Want some coffee? I tried to record the difference in noise between having the door closed versus open to show how insulated the patio doors are, but unfortunately my microphone wasn't working properly. So you'll just have to take my word for it that the street noise outside gets totally blocked out when this door is shut. Thanks for watching this quick room tour. Make sure to check out our other Athens videos if you haven't already, and please hit that subscribe button while you're at it. We'd appreciate it so much. See you in the next video.